In India's Genset industry, change is in the air, and it's electrifying. The shift from CPCB II to 4+ standards isn't just compliance. It's about India's commitment in achieving 90% reduction in air pollution and tracking the usage in real time. Real-time monitoring empowers operators to optimize performance, ensuring compliance and efficiency, all thanks to DATOMS IoT technology. Predictive maintenance means spotting issues before they become costly problems, enhancing equipment durability, with DATOMS leading the way. And here's the kicker. As we transition to CPCB IV+, DATOMS IoT tech paves the way for OEMs towards a smarter, cleaner Genset future. It's our step towards a sustainable future, hand in hand with DATOMS. Discover the power of DATOMS IoT technology at www.datoms.io or contact at datoms.io.